Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your history on RedNote. First things first, of course, you're going to go ahead and open the RedNote app. Then what you're going to do, guys, is come here at the bottom right. You will see the profile icon. Basically, click on me right here. Now, what you're going to do here, guys, you will see shop, orders, cart. This is not the only options that is available. You just need to scroll this to the left. Scroll to the left, and here, the last option you'll see is history. Click on this. Now you can see two types of histories, post histories and live histories. So if you want to delete your history, what you can do is come here and click on manage, and then just select whatever you want to go ahead and delete. If you want to delete everything, just come here at the bottom left, click on select all, and then click on delete, and then it will give you a prompt whether are you sure that you want to delete all of it. Click on confirm, and boom, we have deleted everything. You can do the same thing for live. You can go ahead and delete this as well, and you will have no history left. Really that easy and simple, guys.